Hi there. I was sent this mechanical pencil set from Mr. Pen to review, and I haven't opened it yet, so let's get started. All right, there are two mechanical pencils in here. It looks like some extra erasers that fit in the lid with the top, and two little cases of HB or 0.5 millimeter leads, refills. Okay, if you're not satisfied with the performance, please contact them or website, and it has a little scan for your free gift here. I think the free gift is a mustache sticker. Okay, let's open it. Or let me open it. I'm always so careful when I open things. Okay. So I've got two pins. I keep calling them pins. They're just metal cases. One is just all silver, and the other one has a little bit of pink in it. So it could be him and her pencils. Him and her? His and hers. Get your grammar straight. His and hers. Okay, there are the two cases of refill leads, and in all their products they send a little mustache sticker, and you just peel that off, and it's not white. It's clear when it peels off, you see. Okay. And what do we have here? Thank you for your purchase. So I'm going to try that in a minute. Scanning that, I think, because I've done this before, I'm remembering that it's a little mustache. Send you another one. Okay, let's try this out. Whoops. Oh, that's nicely taped in there. I think I'll just leave it until I'm ready to try out the extra erasers. See, there's the eraser. Very nice. Okay. Aha. Comes out. Can you see it? It might be too. I might think I'm getting a shadow. Okay, there we go. You can see it's just like other mechanical pencils. Keeps coming out, and then if it's come out too far, you can just push it against the paper and it goes back in. Okay. So it looks like when you first click it, a little, it's almost like a little pin cowling comes out. You press it again, and then the lead comes out. Okay, feels good. It's got a clip for you to put in a pocket. Okay, now my handwriting is not the best in the world, so just bear with me. What should I put? How about Mr. Pen? You see that? Okay, that was cursive. Now I'm going to take this off and see how it erases. Okay, The eraser is kind of bendy. Now, if you don't push down really hard, you just lightly on the side. Wow, that eraser, that's an excellent eraser. So yeah, when you're using this to erase, don't go like this and try to, you know, erase it like you're in a hurry to erase it. Take your time, go on the side, and it'll come out just fine. Because if you go straight down like that, it's going to click more of the lead out, and you might not want that. Okay, and this little tube goes right back over the top. And of course, when you push that, push that in, it's going to click more of the lead out. But I think that's kind of in every mechanical pencil. Okay. You know what? Just wonder. No, it's not a stylus. It would actually tear up the screen, I think. Okay, let's try a piece of paper flat. That was okay. It's very nice. Let's try it on, like when you're just, sorry, I can't think straight. When you have one sheet of paper and it's against your desk. Okay. Okay. I do wish I had another pencil, a mechanical pencil to compare it to. It feels fine. Okay, it writes. It's good. It erases. It's still kind of wiggly. You know, there's only so much they could do with that, so. But it erases really well. Okay. All right, let's look at this lead. How do we get the lead in there? So I've run out of lead, and I just twist this off. Okay, this is all the little parts. Okay. All right, you have the little, what do you call that? Spring. And it looks like there's an extra lead in there. Extra 2 leads. And I think the only way for me to try that out is if I pulled this lead completely out. I'm not sure I want to do that. But anyway, so the pencil itself has extra lead, which is nice. Okay, I'm going to put this back together. Sorry for the shaking. It's just my trimmers. Okay. It's very easy to open and get back together. It looks like the little lead case, you can move this over and pour out a lid, or if you want to be more careful, you can just barely open it, so maybe one lead comes out. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's nice. Awesome. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is taped in really well. Okay. So there's one of the little erasers. When the eraser goes down, it looks like you can pull it up a little bit when it starts to go down. Okay, and then you can put a new one in there, just like that. I'm going to put this one back. Okay. So I'm not sure if you go all the way down to the bottom here, or you just go halfway, because if you had just a little bit, it might fall out. Maybe not. It's not falling out. Cool. Something else I used to do long ago was I would just put a little piece of paper down in that part, and it would make it easier to use the rest of the eraser. So that's a neat little trick. That's amazing. It came back to my mind. Alright, I don't think there's anything else different about this one other than they both say Mr. Pin in style. And this one's just pink. And it comes out the same way. Very good. Suppose I can click it all the way out, but there we go. All right. Well, this mechanical pencil is suitable for writing of any kind, I can imagine. It comes with extra leads, which, I mean, this could set you up for years with just that. And you can share it or just have a backup. I'm not sure they come in other colors, but this one is at least, this one's got a pink and a silver in it. And then, of course, you got your little mustache. Where shall I put that? All right. I can recommend this just fine. Oh, yeah. Let's try this before I forget. What's it going to do? Oops. Let me get this in the screen here. Okay. Okay. Redirect to Mr. Pin for your free gift. Awesome. Get started. Okay. So it clicked me over into I got it at Amazon. To receive your free gift, product with the email address, which I did. It's like almost did it on its own. Okay. All right. Let's see about my email. Okay. Maybe it takes a minute. Oh, sorry, I have to send that. Oops, sorry. Looks like you've already gotten the free gift for our first-time customers. Ah, okay. The free gift, which is a mustache sticker. I've already done this, so I don't get another one. It's for first time users of, I guess, if you scan this, you can't scan it again. It would have to be somebody else. Anyway, okay, great. And all their products come with this mustache, so you're not going to be out of mustache. Look at that. I had it upside down. Or is that the handlebar version? Okay, see y'all later. Bye-bye. I found a mechanical pencil. This one is a Bic, and it's a 0.7 lead. Now this is plastic, not metal. I think this is nicer if you're in an office situation, or any place really. But I just wanted to see. This one's eraser is bigger, but it's not protected by the little cap. They both have a clip, but this is plastic, and you know, after a while it can break. But it is lighter. You know what? I think that might be plastic too. No, that's metal. Yeah, this one's a little lighter, but that's normal for that. You do the same thing as you do with the others. You click it to get it out. Whoops. And the lead in this one is thicker too, so you got to keep that in mind. You might want a bigger lead. You might not. Okay, let's try. Oh no, I got it wrong. Try erasing. Okay. It's easier to erase, but you've got to push harder. Whereas this one, whoops. Now, there's something. You got to, if you want to erase, you've got to stop and take the lid off. And then you have to go slowly. It just kind of depends. If you want the eraser to be protected, you could just take this off altogether and just use it like that, and then you wouldn't have to bother taking it off, which I would probably end up doing because I erase a lot, and it would bug me to have to stop. Okay, let me see. Let's see. Grocery list. Eggs. Oh, I forgot the G. Yeah, I have to put my nail down there on that to make it not wiggly. But it's a very good eraser. I think it's better than this one. But it is wiggly. You just have to decide what you want to do. Okay, I thought you might want to see the difference there. This one, you usually don't get a whole bunch of refills. You can buy them, I think. This one's basically a throwaway. I think Bic does make ones that you don't. Whoa! Interesting. I was one of those kids that like to take things apart. Okay. Ooh, haha! That is where you find it. And this has 2 extra leads, so that is the way you would fix that. Okay. Well, that eraser's not bad. This one is a little more fiddly to use. But I think the positives outweigh that. I like it better. But they each have their own place, so just up to you. All right, bye again.